Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 462. The verb phrase today is to tear down, and we got 5 meanings. Okay, so anyone want to screenshot to it right now? Let's go right to it. All right, the first one, to demolish a large object or structure. Ronald Reagan had a famous quote, Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Well, this was during the Cold War. This was before the USSR collapsed. And when Reagan became president, he said that. So he actually meant like the Berlin Wall. That's what he was kind of talking about. The wall between the East and the West. Our second example for this one, they decided to tear down that building and build a new one. So this is really like demolish and destroy. All right, let's go on. So tear down, second meaning here could mean to travel down or along something very quickly. He ran a red light and tore down the street. So this could be like in a car. So he went through the red light, he ran a red light, and I guess he sped very quickly. He tore down the street. All right, we have a second example here. On the last day of classes, the students tore down the stairs to start their summer vacation. And they're just very excited. Oh, free for the summer, something like that. Number 3, to vilify or strongly criticize. It doesn't matter what that politician does, that news network is biased and will always tear him down. So no matter what he does, they will say they don't like it. Even if he did something that they were probably in favor of, they would probably still find a reason to criticize him. All right, he claims his supervisor was always tearing him down and never giving him credit for anything. Okay, and number 4 here, to rip or pull something down from a surface. They tore down that old poster advertisement and put up some new ones. Sure. And then the last one, to dismantle or disassemble. So you got to take something apart. A large object or structure. Since tomorrow is the last day of the convention, we will have to tear down the display and pack them up. So in this case, they're not destroying it. They're just taking it apart. They're packing it up, and probably for the next convention, they may use the same display. So in this case, they're tearing it down to keep it and hold on to it. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.